This is crazy. Look at the size of this. I had a customer ask if I could make a 60-inch loom. These are knitting looms to make these beautiful chunky knit blankets. It's super fast and it's fun and it's easy. 5 feet long, 60 inches. I'm going to start selling on my shop. You can check it out. And thank you, Trina, for your order. Okay, this new knitting loom, this is the longest one I have. It's bigger than the Extreme. Crazy big. I don't know why anybody would need it this big, but it ships in 2 pieces and has an insert screw in the middle, so you can just undo it. And you probably could make king size plus down both sides of the bed. That's how big it is. Crazy. I love it though. Hi, I'm Shelley, and today we're going to learn how to... Okay, this is a knitting loom that I sell on my website, and I don't think I've ever done a video on it before. Hard to get in the video because it's so long, but it's for making those chunky knit blankets with the really thick yarn. Super easy to do, fun, and you'll have a blanket done in a couple of hours. It's great, I love it. That's what it looks like from the front. This one. Then put it through the first one. We're going to go to the next one. Put a loop through there. Stitches are all about the same.